There's my babies getting their baths. Look at them all opening their wings. Don't wet my camera though. Who's that down there? Even Luna Buna's getting into it today. Watch. Watch. All of them open up. That's little Lemon Drop.
Pretty.
She's a water baby like her mama. Watch Raiders. There you go, Raiders. What a beautiful girl. Oh, look at how beautiful she is. Yeah, get a side view. I don't see her booty.
Look at Chiquita. She don't like it.
Where is she? She's hiding.
She's hiding.
You're still getting wet, Chiquita. You need some water to help with your feathers. They get really dry. It's all right, little girl. You'll be all right. I'm not going to open no window by you today. And look at little Millie back there. Oh, my goodness. Look at Millie with a little bald head.
Grandma, she's sensitive about that.
She ain't sensitive. She don't care. She survived somebody attacking her. She could have survived anything. She has beautiful wings. All right, you guys, my hand's getting tired. You guys are soaked. Look at Mama. Mama won't open her wings. She's a brat. She just likes to get soaked. Look, there's her baby right there above her.
Ooh, pretty. Oh, look at you guys.
There's Angel Girl.
Booty, booty, booty.
There's Angel Girl. Look at that. Look at my angel.
That one likes to get wet right there. The middle, the gray one. Who is that?
I can't tell. Look at him. He's covering his whole everything. He's just getting everything wet. Oh, Boo Boo. Who are you? Are you Gunny? Can't tell. I got too many damn grays. Stop it and start again.